Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Valentine's heart tart. The ingredients that we're going to need today are strawberry preserves, 2 packages of cream cheese at room temperature, 1 cup of sugar, confectioner sugar, and 2 cans of crescents. To a bowl, you want to add your 2 packages of cream cheese. Then we're going to add our cup of sugar to it. Next, you want to take a hand mixer and just mix until well combined. Once your cream cheese and sugar is well combined, all you want to do is set it to the side. Now you want to get a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper, and we're going to open our first pack of croissants. Once you have your croissants separated, all we're going to do is open them and lay them on top of each other. Next, we're going to take our cream cheese mixture and we're just going to place it onto the croissant. I'm going to spread it out. Okay, it should look just like this. Now, we're going to take our strawberry preserves and go over top of our cream cheese mixture. Okay guys, it should look just like this. Now we're just going to take our edge of the croissant and we're going to tuck it under. And you can set your oven to 350 degrees. Okay, this is what it looks like. Now we're going to open our other can of croissants and repeat the process on the other side of our baking sheet. Okay guys, now all we're going to do is fold our croissants up again. Fold it up and over. Okay guys, so this is what everything should look like. Now we're going to form this into a heart. Okay guys, remember all you do is pull it in to a shape of a heart. Now we're going to put it in our oven and let it bake at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. Okay guys, so our heart tart is now done. I'm just going to let it cool off. Okay guys, so now all we're going to do is put some confectioner sugar into a sifter, and all you're going to do is sift it over top of your heart. we have it. Our Valentine heart tart. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.